Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Now, we get another request from a girl named Keisha, blah blah blah, from blah blah blah, blah blah blah. She said she want her boyfriend get boxed up because she just discovered say he might take way more selfies of himself than she. She said she go up on him Instagram. She see a bag of selfies. She see selfies in the kitchen. She see selfies in the bathroom. She see selfies in the bedroom. Him a lay down. And all of the selfies when him a take, it's like him a pose a certain kind of way. And this and that. And it no look good. My youth, listen to me. Man can take selfies, yes. But when you start take more selfies than your girl, come here. Hold your face. Box! Low it alone. Box! Stop take so much selfies. Box!